Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert a picture to text in Microsoft Word. Need to extract text from an image? Microsoft Word can convert pictures to an editable text using OCR, which is short for Optical Character Recognition. So let's follow these few simple steps together. The first step is to insert the image. And to do that, just open your Microsoft Word and then go to File and create a new blank document. Now once you create a new blank document, click on the insert section and then go and click on picture and select where you want to insert the picture from. You can select this device, stock images or online pictures. I'm gonna use stock images and I'm gonna choose this picture that has writing on it for easier conversion. Now the second step is to save as PDF and reopen. And to do that, I'm gonna go to Files, and then I'm gonna click on Save As, and then I'm gonna click on Save in my desktop, and I'm gonna choose the type of the document to PDF, and I'm gonna click on Save. Now once I saved the document, I'm just gonna look for it again. This is the one, and I'm gonna open it in Word. I'm just gonna click open with, and I'm gonna search for other apps, click on choose another app, and then I'm gonna browse and choose Word. As you can see here, I uploaded and I opened this in Word. Now once I open this on Word, let's see here, I'm gonna open this file on Word. Let's see where this is the one. Now I'm gonna click on open with Word. Now Microsoft Word will display this message of converting to editable documents. The message says Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. This may take a while. The resulting Word document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text, so it might not look like the original PDF, especially if the original PDF contained a lot of graphics. Now you're just gonna click on OK, and let's see if it's now as you can see, it treated the writing like an image. It didn't convert it to an editable document, but you can also use OneNote OCR for better resolution. As you can see, Word can find some difficulties converting images to text, but so use OneNote OCR instead. And that's how you convert pictures to text in Word. Use OCR to extract and edit text easily. And remember, use high quality images for better text recognition, and if Word doesn't recognize it, use OneNote OCR. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.